Perfect.
Hey, what's up? How the fuck you guys doing? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make this sound.
Perfect.
Alright, and don't copy that, because if you copy it, I will murder your family. And you guys are thinking, that's funny, he's not actually gonna murder my family. I will throw up to your— No, I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna murder your family. Okay, so this is what it sounds like without effects. First thing you're gonna want to do is draw on some sad shit, Yeah, it makes me want to cry. Second thing is, I've made this in Harmor, but you can make this in any plugin. So first, this is just gonna be a straight up saw wave when you open it up. Right, this is what it's gonna sound like. That's just sharp. So bring this pluck down so it sounds more smooth, it's fading off. Second thing, it's still kind of harsh. So we want to turn the saw wave into like a saw sine. So now it's gonna be this right here, by the way. Right there, in my underwear. But it still doesn't have that jazzy sound, that jazzy vibe. So just add a little vibrato, and it turns it from these straight lines into these sperms. Little sperm. Should be my rap name. Okay, second thing is on this B oscillator. We want that little pluck to it, and this by itself doesn't have this pluck if you listen to it. Yeah, it sounds empty. So if you add this in, the pluck down all the way. So now it has that nice pluck. Alright, as for effects, gross beat is what makes the sound. So what it does is, as the bar plays, right here it speeds it up by 2, and right here it slows it down by 2, I believe. And I think you should have these settings, because if you mess around and don't have it on the line, then it's not going to be in key. Here, listen. Or actually, that sounds pretty good, but right here. Yeah, it doesn't sound right. So just have it right here. Second thing is, you want to cut out lows below 150 hertz and above 18,000 hertz. Alright. Oh, I forgot. Make sure you add reverb. You can do it either externally or internally. I think it's better to do it externally, but I just did it through Harmor. So now it's real ghostly. And one thing you can do it is, if you make it externally, you can make it sound ghosty by turning up the wet. See how that sounds? It's all stereo and reverb. And then I just have a limiter on it. But if you want, you can use Maximus to master it, and that is basically it.